Hello, this is the Complicated Fellow. Welcome to the sixth episode of How It Could Have Been Better. Today I am going to talk about Batman v Superman Dawn of Justice, an American superhero movie released in 2016. It is directed by Zack Snyder and starring Ben Affleck as Batman, Henry Cavill as Superman, Amy Adams as Lois Lane, and Jesse Eisenberg as Lex Luthor. I think it would have been better if Lex Luthor is played by Jude Law. And I would also like to add Joker into the story, which could be played by Jake Gyllenhaal. I like Batman's motivation in the movie as he had witnessed the destruction caused by Superman while fighting General Zod and his decision to make the super armor. In Metropolis, Lex Luthor is introduced as a businessman who is running for the president, exploiting the fear people have for Superman, and Superman tries to mend the destruction he had caused earlier. And in Gotham City, the criminals are being killed with bat blades, so a shoot at sight order on Batman is given. This turned out to be the work of Joker, who had collected the bat blades over the years. It can be shown that Joker is hired by Lex to trap Batman and Superman to fight each other. There could be some Bruce versus Clark moment into the story also. First, when Clark comes to Gotham to report the crimes, he tries to get an interview of Bruce, but he snubs him. After that, Clark writes about Batman's vigilantism. Another can be added when Bruce comes to meet Lex in Metropolis, so he can get some intel about Zod's ship as Lex gets his hands on it. Here, Clark accuses him of his aloofness towards society. Lois could do some reporting after Superman is accused of collapsing a burning building, which killed several people when he came to rescue them. She would be accused of writing biased report on Superman and being anti-Luthor. Lois could do some sleuthing on Lex Luthor also. Now, finally, let me talk about the fight between Batman and Superman. The first fight will happen in Gotham when Batman fights the criminal and Superman intervenes thinking he would kill them. Batman escapes when he realizes that he can't beat him. Second fight when Batman steals kryptonite from Lex and Superman gets involved in a fight. Batman exposes him to kryptonite and Superman fights in human strength and gets beaten up by Batman. But cops come and Batman escapes again. The third fight could happen in Arkham Asylum, where Joker plans to bomb it and blame it on Batman. Lex calls Lois to tell about Batman and Superman flies to Gotham to stop him. After Batman disposes the bomb and Joker, Superman arrives and beats Batman up, but using the kryptonite gas bomb, he weakens Superman. Batman realizes that it is not a safe place for their fight, so he flies in Batplane to a better place, the ruins of Metropolis, where Superman fought Zod before, which is abandoned now. Here Batman, wearing his new armor, waits for Superman by turning on the bat signal. After Superman arrives, they fight. Batman exposes him to kryptonite spear, but Superman buries it under the debris. Then he beats Batman, but Batman gets his hand to the spear again and threatens him with it. When Superman accuses Batman as a killer, he says he is being framed by Joker. But what's his excuse for the destruction of Metropolis? Then Superman says he's sorry for what had happened, and every day he is living in guilt, but also mentioned that it was his first fight in his life and he was angry at Zod for killing his parents. Realizing Superman is not very different from him, Batman forgives Superman. Finally, Lois writes a report on Lex Luthor and his illegal activities, including the destruction of the building, and he is arrested. In the end, it can be shown that Clark has let Bruce keeps the kryptonite so that if Superman turns rogue, Batman can stop him. Then Bruce proposes the idea of making a league of superheroes who will fight for justice. In the post-credit scene, Diana Prince receives a mail from Bruce telling her that he knows who she is. As she opens the attached file, she sees her old photograph in First World War as Wonder Woman. So this is it. This is how Batman v Superman Dawn of Justice could have been better. Hope you liked this video. Write your thoughts below and tell me which movie you want me to do next. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for your time.